You know we're overdue for an episode, right?
I know, dude, but between the move back down to Jersey and all the traveling back and forth, it's just been hectic, man. I haven't really had the time to film or shoot anything.
You smell that? Smells like there's a little bitch in my studio. Are you being a little bitch in my studio?
Wow. Wow. Okay. Alright. Challenge accepted, asshole. Alright, wait. Why do you sound different?
Don't you change the subject. Get back to work. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be diving into the magic of photography. So let's get started. Now, the art of seeing is an essential aspect to developing your eye as a photographer. Train yourself to see the beauty in the ordinary. Like me. No, not like him. But experiment with composition, lighting, framing, and finding unique perspectives. Being able to quickly see how light falls on your subject, where your framing draws focus, and how the elements of your shot are arranged and how they interact with one another. This will help you turn your creative vision into a visual masterpiece. Understanding the relationship between aperture, shutter speed, and ISO is crucial for getting that perfect shot. Simply put, your camera's aperture will determine what's in focus. The shutter speed is the length of time your camera sensor is exposed to light, and your ISO is how much light your camera lets in. These three together form your exposure triangle. A good tip that I learned from my friend and business partner Marina Labaff of Monarch Boudoir is you want to start with one part of the triangle and work your way backwards. Photography is more than just taking pretty pictures. It's also about capturing emotion and storytelling. Why'd you cut to me when you said that? Timing, patience, and empathy play a vital role in capturing that decisive moment to communicate the desired emotion. Your camera's placement, balance, and framing of your subject will invoke the story that you wish to tell. These elements together will help guide your viewers through an artistic journey. Editing is an essential part of the creative process. It takes your photos to the next level, and it helps you set up your specific style. And your specific style will help differentiate you from everyone else. Now, you don't have to be a Photoshop expert. I'm not. In fact, I do almost all my editing in Lightroom. I barely touch Photoshop unless it's something really specific that a client asks for that I can't do in Lightroom. But other than that, I just stick to Lightroom. Simply put, Lightroom is a digital darkroom where you can develop your photos. Photoshop is more of a photo manipulation tool. It gives you more power and precision. So on these systems, when you edit and post-process, you can, color correct, crop, enhance details, the highlights, anything that invokes your unique style. Developing your own photographic style can be an exciting journey. And if you're a newer photographer, please understand that this process might take a while. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But don't be afraid to experiment, to try new techniques, or even dabble into another genre. So being a movie buff, I always worked bringing in my love of film plus my love of horror films and trying to blend them together. And I came up with my own style that I call romantically dark. Now, as you grow as a photographer, having the right equipment becomes more and more essential. But always remember that gear is an investment. While it's nice to have the best and latest, it might not always be financially feasible. So always have that in mind. The cost of that investment can easily snowball. Be honest with yourself. The brand new camera looks nice and shiny, but more often than not, that old second or third gen model can easily get the job done. So invest with a plan. And lastly, share your work. Art is subjective. There's always going to be critics out there. So why let it bother you? It's all right to be scared. I've been doing this for almost 10 years. Sometimes it's still scary. This is the third time that I've tried to do YouTube with this brand. I'm sweating bullets over here. But, you know, from social media to online communities, you can meet and grow with artists of all different skill levels, you know. And the best thing is, not everybody has the same vision you have. Not everybody's gonna have the same way that you look at something. Like, your eye is your eye. You develop it how you develop it, but it's never gonna be the same as someone else. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, I hope it's motivated you, or you found some new inspiration for the magic of photography. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna be coming out with more episodes soon, and we hope to see you guys on this journey with us. Take care.